Hey guys, today I'm making miniature junk food breakfast food, just a collection of old crafts and new. I love seeing your work, so thank you to all of you who've been tagging me and showing me your crafts lately. It's been awesome. And as always, kids, do be sure and ask a parent for help before starting this craft. I start with the Pop-tarts, and here I put everything on one printable. It'll be on my website, rainbowtinklesworld.com. I assemble, and since I didn't use glossy photo paper, I add some gloss with glossy Mod Podge. The Pop-tarts are craft foam, sidewalk chalk for a little bit of color. I poke holes for detail and add puff paint for icing. I paint paper silver, assemble, leaving enough room for my Pop-tarts. Pop in my box, and you are good. Next up, the little honey bear. Just gluing two pony beads together. A craft foam top with a small piece of a toothpick. Filed along the bottom to make it easier to attach. Painted. I manipulate hot glue on parchment paper for the arms and ears. And color with marker. Adding acrylic paint for the eyes and nose. Next up are the mini donuts. I use thick craft foam and two settings on my multi-hole punch. I use puff paint for the chocolate frosting. And baking soda on the powdered donuts. And here I did print on glossy photo paper, but I didn't want my bag that thick, so I peeled it to make it a little bit thinner. Adding my donuts. And you are good. Up next are the strawberries, just using air dry clay. I shape, give it about a day to dry. Paint with nail polish, then poke holes for detail. The top is simply colored paper. I print the label using glossy Mod Podge for gloss. I roll it up using a toothpick to help guide me. Then use another toothpick, cutting so that it's short enough for the perler bead. Paint the top. And with the perler bead, so that it will stay in place, I use a little bit of hot glue on the inside. and paper along the top. For the container, just using 2 pieces from a gum pack. One I cut, leaving a lip that I can fold over and trim as needed so that it will fit inside the other piece. I tape them together. Adjust as needed so it will stay in place. Add my strawberries. Pop on my lid, and you're good. Up next are the muffins. So just manipulating a piece of plastic using my hot glue gun. But it's not super hot. You can either get it hot and turn it off and give it about 30 seconds, or just don't let it warm up completely. Otherwise it will melt the plastic. Just slowly and carefully creating my shape. Six times. Then trim. More Model Magic or air dry clay for the muffins. Again, a day or so to dry. Then using orange, brown, and yellow to paint. And painting the muffin pan with silver nail polish. More glossy Mod Podge for shine. Or turn them into cupcakes by adding puff paint along the top. And to make super easy pancakes, brown craft foam and white acrylic paint along the edges. And finally, for the box of cereal, tiny beads in a tiny Ziploc. And guys, you are so totally good to go. Well guys, I sure hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks guys!